Okay. Last video we left on the ScreenFlow. We built the ScreenFlow. Just a quick recap. On the previous video, we were uh, brainstorming the idea of building an app to allow users to create custom workouts based on predefined list of exercises. Um, Process that we defined was to brainstorm, which we did on the last video, and then build ScreenFlow, which we also did. Then the next step will be to create wireframes and design data structures. I won't go further those, but probably we will focus the next couple of videos on wireframes creation. Then we will have to create an initial data set, build backend, build UI, integrate with frontend and backend. So if you're interested in the coding part, it will be further down the series, but right now I want you to get the full picture of building something from scratch, and that it's not just coding. You have to do a lot of things. The code is just a small part of any product, even tech products, right? So let's start rolling with wireframes. I was actually thinking on building the wireframes with ChatGTP, but I will do it in a more traditional way, which is using a design or wireframe app. I will be testing this one, but you can use Figma, Sketch, whatever you feel comfortable using. Um, there's a lot of options out there, and I'm not a UX UI designer, so I'm just picking one that it's easy for me to work with for now. So, um, all right, last video we end up mapping out this as our list of screens that we want for the app. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on um, this right now. So let's start with the login page, which should be easy. Then we can start building the rest of them. So for the login page, let's create a new port here. And I will choose a template. There must be already templates for a sign-in page. So there's a few of them here. Want a simple sign-in, so I will just pick whatever. This one, the first one, probably. Yep. All right. So we have our sign-in page. We are going to do email login only for now. We might add Google, Facebook, or Apple sign-in later on, but for now we just do Google, sorry, email. So I will delete this, I will delete this, I will move this somewhere around here, wherever. Okay, this is a sign-in page. Then doesn't have an account, sign up. Okay, let's do a sign up page, which would be actually just a copy of this one. Sign up. We're just going to do sign up, email, wherever, sign up, and already have an account, sign in, right? Right. So pretty simple. Just want to do email sign in. So what are we going to do? We're probably using Firebase out. Email link, we are going to use this. So basically, you ask for an email is sent to the user account with a login link. They click on that link, they go back to your app, and they're in. Just simple as that. It's like a magic link. Actually, there's like a pretty popular service called Magic Link, which do that kind of stuff, like just an email like this. Now this is getting more Web3 since the trend goes that way. But yeah, really, really simple um, signing right now. So let's go back to this. We have login sign up. We have to build a dashboard, remember? So on the dashboard, we will show a list of their current workouts and upcoming workouts. You might want to include links to past workouts. All right, so let's see what do these guys have for dashboards and templates. They have a bunch of stuff here. Oh, they have like these categories already. I want to have a menu because we need some options, but we don't need anything complex here. Let's see what else do we have. Yeah, maybe something simple like uh, project management. So we can get inspiration from samples. Even we can, if we like something, we can just go and try to build something similar to that. Account settings, just trying to find out something that works for me. Let's see, app layouts. This seems to be for so a simple menu here. Yeah, let's pick something like this. I think the search is cool, but we don't need it. Okay, I will pick this. So, okay. We want to, first of all, be able to create workouts, workout details, export, download settings. So the menu should have these options, right? Like maybe we do, yeah, I don't know. Let's see, icon. Let's go. Can I change the icon? I can change the size. Okay, let's see if they have a path, like or create. Bring something with a plus here. Plus, yeah, this is just wireframing, so I will just to get rid of this. I will get rid of this. Then to create new workout and um, put it here. We can then do export, create workout details. Let's have here export. Right. If I can change this icon here. somehow. No, I can't. These are another options. Okay. And workout details. Settings. Icons are a little bit off, but let's try to. Oh, there we go. Settings like export, print this. Now here the logo goes, and oh, we can add badges. Cool. State selected. Oh, right. So I don't want to select the state right now. Let's do default and let's add a new one, which would be, I will do here my like workouts or home, maybe home. Yeah, this one is the one that is going to be selected. Okay, maybe let me drag this here. Home export print. We don't need these things here. Placeholder. I prefer this one, so it's clear that here we have the logo. Don't love it, but yeah. And this is navigation, like workout details. This will be the workout details when we click. Okay. How do we render our workouts? So let's put workouts, and we need to add a list here. Okay. So let's go to here, list, and we can pick something like we will have a title like this. Okay, what's this? Got it. I'm not a designer, so bear with me. Just want to map my idea into something. Okay, so this will be like workout one. I don't know, Monday or upper body workout. Mm, mm. We can put hit Moscow 1, Moscow 2, wherever. Delete this. I'm not sure if we are going to be able to have images for every workout. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Okay, so we can do like a grid here. Workout 2, lower body workout, workout 3, I don't know, abs workout, whatever. We have a series of workouts. I don't think we're going to do any. Oh, we could do search. We don't need this. Cool thing here is that I see that you can switch to design with this. So kind of looks cool. Want to keep lo-fi so we don't have to deal with colors. Usually what happens here is like if we are presenting this to a client, they focus a lot on I don't like these colors or I don't like this image. I don't like the button, whatever. So this is not the moment to focus on that stuff. We need to focus on um, user experience, not UI, flows, screens, whatever. Okay. So for example, we have our dashboard here right now. So we want to do now the create workout page or the export one or the settings one. I don't know if what's the deal with the settings? Let me see. Data, profile information. Okay, there's no password, so we don't have to worry about that. We'll continue on the next video with the create workout wireframes and pick exercise library. So I don't want to make these videos too long. So wrapping up, we have the login sign up page. We have the dashboard now, and we have the menu to get access to settings, export, download, which I call print in this case, or PDF. And we'll do the create workout on the next video. From there, we will go and do probably 2 more videos on wireframes just to finish every screen that we need on the app. And then we'll jump on the design data structures video where we are going to be talking about how uh, to store the information, which options we have, and what's the best way to do that. I'll try not to be too techy, just for like entrepreneurs or product managers, creators to have an idea on which options you have. So when you actually want to go and build this, have like an understanding on what's the best way to do it, right? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.